Ayo! Hopefully you enjoyed that quick cinematic sequence. I'd like to thank a viewer and a friend of mine for letting me build this Link65 for the channel. I'm not gonna bore you with the specs of the Link65, as there are tons already out in the interwebs. But to sum it all up, what sets this apart from the rest of the 65% out in the market back then was its super flexible PCB and the heaps of flex cuts on the plate. This addition did ultimately contribute a lot on the softness and the typing feel of the keyboard, but in exchange for a thinner and much more muted sound profile. I'm glad that nowadays, board designers like Meltrix and QK are listening to feedback and adding in an option to have a non-flex cut PCB, as this I think was a step in the wrong direction from OWLabs. Flex cuts in my opinion are a bad implementation of adding flex or bounce to a board, and in all honesty, I'd rather sacrifice flex for a better sound profile overall. The Link65 is a board that emphasizes on flex but lacks sound. It's an innovation to have such a flexible PCB, but I think it's too ahead of its time. They perfected the looks and feel in sacrifice of something much more fundamental, and I love that they took note of this feedback and are now making changes to their future boards. 2021 and 2022 was such a year of change for keyboards, and I think a million flex cuts are just ain't it. But those are just my opinions. What do you think of flex cuts? Are they overhyped or a great innovation for the custom keyboard crowd? Let me know down below. I'm John J. Binraba, and I'll see you in the next video.